What's up, fam? Today is day 9 of learning how to wheelie. Today I'm gonna do foot drags again, but I'm gonna use slow throttle like this. Not like that, but you see that? I'm not like going like this. So I'm gonna do that today. And then maybe hit the grass, maybe. And put my feet on the pegs. Maybe I'll do that. I'm not sure. See how the day comes. So I'm gonna go practice right now. So like I said, I want to do slow wheelies when I'm doing foot drags. But I'm like slipping off. Damn it. See, that was a good one right there. I felt like the balance point. Oh shizzle my nizzle, that's a PO. I got a dip. That's the po-po. I'm a dip. I ain't sticking around. So I don't know where I'm gonna go, because right here it hits to the street. Yup, you see the cop? Damn, the po-po, come on. Oh, did that an accident, chat? That's not fair, man. Come on, dog. Let's see, chat. I'm like locked off, fam. Maybe I could go over there, maybe. Oh, that's not that bad, fam. So the park that I'm going right now, it's in a different city. So I got a spot in mind where I'm gonna practice at. That's crazy though, fam. I can't even practice. It's a 15-minute ride, maybe 20 minutes. I did not want to talk to that cop. I could have just waited there. I did not want to talk to him. Guess I'm just gonna practice here. Then on eco. It's something different, right, chat? You see how I'm going slow? So that's what I want to practice. But I'm getting better. You see how I'm not jerking the throttle? I'm just doing it slowly, smoothly. And the other thing that I have to remember is to not pull up, pull back. So I'm trying to do that. I can feel the difference. But I am getting better. I don't know how many times I said it, but I am getting better. That's crazy, fam. No helmet? Wear your helmet, fam. Circle wheelies. I'm gonna call it. So I'm gonna end the video here, fam. Like and subscribe, and I'm out. Deuces.